Welcome to Gardening Nurture, your go-to source for all things organic gardening. In today's video, we'll explore the fundamentals of organic gardening, why it's important, and how you can implement its principles and practices in your own garden. Let's get started. Organic gardening is about cultivating plants without synthetic chemical pesticides and fertilizers. Instead, it focuses on creating a healthy environment for your plants from the very beginning. This ensures your food is free from harmful chemicals and promotes a thriving ecosystem in your garden. Why consider organic gardening? There are several compelling reasons. First, it ensures that the food you grow is free from pesticides and chemicals, making it safer and healthier for you and your family. Second, organic gardening practices improve soil quality and create a better environment. By nurturing the soil and using natural methods to manage pests and diseases, you're contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly way of gardening. Let's dive into some key principles and practices of organic gardening to help you get started and succeed in your gardening journey. One of the core principles of organic gardening is to focus on the soil rather than the plant itself. Healthy soil leads to healthy plants. Here are some practical tips. Top off your garden beds with compost. Compost enriches the soil with nutrients and improves its structure. Conduct a soil test to understand its pH and nutrient levels. Based on the results, choose organic amendments like blood meal and bone meal to balance the soil's nutrients. Set up vermicomposting bins to produce worm castings, which are an excellent organic fertilizer. Preventing diseases is crucial in organic gardening since you're not using synthetic fungicides. Here are some tips. Select plant varieties resistant to common diseases in your area. Water your plants in the morning to allow the foliage to dry out during the day, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Rotate your crops each year to prevent soil-borne diseases from building up in the soil. Weeds can be a challenge, but there are effective organic methods to manage them. Regularly pull weeds by hand before they have a chance to seed and spread. Gardening in raised beds can help reduce the number of weeds since you have more control over the soil. Healthy plants are less susceptible to pests and diseases. Here's how to keep your plants in top condition. Water your plants consistently with deep irrigation to encourage strong root growth. Managing pests in an organic garden requires a balanced approach. Here are some strategies. Learn to recognize beneficial insects, such as ladybugs and lacewings, which can help control pest populations. Employ physical controls like row covers, sticky traps, and hand picking to manage pests. Organic gardening is a rewarding and sustainable way to grow your own food while supporting a healthy ecosystem. By focusing on soil health, preventing diseases, managing weeds, maintaining plant health, and mindfully managing pests, you can create a thriving organic garden. Thanks for watching Gardening Nurture. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials on organic gardening. Happy gardening!